Hi Scorpio! Welcome po sa inyong reading. This is for Scorpio June 1st to June the 3rd. Ayan, Scorpio, for those of you po na bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, and comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate. And don't forget to hit the notification bell para po ma-notify po kayo every time na tayo po ay gumagawa ng bagong video. No? So, Scorpio, para po doon sa mga gusto ng dalawang reading sa akin, meron po tayong daily ilalabas sa Babaylan TV. Yun po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience, no? At nagla-live din po tayo doon sa kabilang channel. So kung gusto niyo sumali, subscribe na rin kayo, Babaylan TV, no? Scorpio, kung wala po kayong time sa live sessions, pwede naman po kayo magtanong dito sa comment section as long as the question is answerable by yes or no po, no? So Scorpio, kung feeling nyo hindi naman kayo masasatisfy sa yes or no na sagot, meron po tayong link sa description box. Either you have to click the link or copy the link. You will be routed to my page. Type in your questions and then click submit. Follow the instructions. And if you also want to avail the private reading, by all means po, no? Nasa description box na rin po yun. So Scorpio, I want you to know that this is a general reading. You may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. Scorpio, parang nag-i-stay na lang tayo sa isang situation or relationship na parang inaantay ko na lang siyang mawala, no? Inaantay ko na lang matigil. Kasi parang sa'yo, parang mas okay yata na I'm better off without the person. Ito parang nagkakaroon kayo ng labuan, no? So there's definitely some separations in here, whether it is a physical separation or an energetic separation. Ayaw mo naman magsimula, no, na I want to call it quits. Ayaw mo naman ng ganon. So you're just waiting for, the love to fade. Yun yung nakikita ko dito, Scorpio. Kasi parang feeling mo, you wanted to explore. I think nag-expand ka, no? There's something that you probably like then that you don't like now, no? With the Five of Cups, the Four of Swords, and the Chariot, I feel like marami kang mga bagay na pinalagpas, opportunities na give up for this connection, and you feel like kung sana mas inuna ko yung mga opportunities na yon rather than this relationship, no? By all means, sumaya naman tayo sa relasyon na to. Pero sana, yung nasa iyo, yung iniisip mo ngayon, sana nakita ko yung pinagandaan ko yung future. With the Death card and the Three of Coins, kung maibabalik mo lang yung panahon, mas sana pinili mo muna ang iyong sarili, no? Yun yung napapansin ko dito. Kumbaga, if you can turn back the hands of time, no, you would rather pause, yung mga decision makings than making a decision right off the bat. With the Temperance, the Four of Wands, and the Two of Coins. So ngayon, ang feeling ko naman dito, ang inuuna mo is yung sarili mo. For the future, I think, feeling mo kasi mas uunlad ka kung ikaw lang ang kikilos mag-isa. Whether there is, kind of something happened, bad things happened with you and your person, or there's none, you would kind of iniisip na siguro ako na lang muna. No? With the Queen of Coins and the Nine of Wands, I feel like you're starting to probably think of something that we can say pang sarili muna. Hindi ka makasariling tao. That's different. You're not selfish, no? Kasi at one point in time, binigay mo naman din lahat. Ang sayo lang is, kung hindi ko to ma-achieve with my person, mas okay sigurong ako lang muna, no? And then probably who knows, 'di ba? Pagdating naman ng panahon, baka kung kami-kami pa din, no? So, nandito ka sa strong decision making and sarili mo muna ang gusto mong intindihin. So, tingnan natin dito ang zodiac sign ng person mo. It could be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. I'm seeing Leo, I'm seeing Taurus, I'm seeing Virgo, I'm seeing Sagittarius, um, yeah, Capricorn, Scorpio, Cancer, no? Pisces. So this is your reading for now, Scorpio. So again, for those of you who's new to the channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo nakaka-resonate, hit a zing notification bell at kung gusto niyo ng dalawang reading sa akin, well, dun po yun sa kabilang channel, Babaylan TV. Take advantage of all the opportunities here, how to ask a question sa comment section sa form. If you also want to avail the private reading, by all means po, love and light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na reading. Goodbye, Scorpio. You want the